All right, I'm gonna film an unboxing of my ARP, oh my God, ARP studs, I'm sorry, ARP bolts. Let's check them out. So these are for the 5.9 Cummins. We'll do it this way. Obviously they look pretty high quality, feel pretty solid. They don't feel as heavy as I thought these would. So these are the ARP 2000s. Here's my used aftermarket Cummins rod. These bolts only work for machined rods. You can, newer Cummins have a cracked rod, which is fine, but they're typically not as strong as this giant chunk of metal. So this is a used rod. I had it checked and I had it polished on a bushing, just because a new bushing is like, you know, 45 bucks to press in, and I can just get a new rod for that. So 15 bucks to machine them all. And let's take one of these out and compare them to the new bolts. I don't have a, oh shit, tight on here, they are. All right, hold on. That's actually a good thing that they're tight, because when they checked the end, they had torqued it, so that's good. Oh my gosh. Put it in place. Okay. So kind of cool. Length is a little bit shorter, but it does have this knight head on there, so. And let's put that in. Yeah, I mean, it still feels okay. Here's how far the old bolt goes. Let's see how the new bolt comes out too. So you can see how much shorter it is. Okay. So still probably fine, but yeah, there it is.